Hello everyone, welcome to the Hard Reset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to set up an alarm on your iPhone 16e. So the first thing we're going to do is open up the clock app, and then we're going to click on the alarm section and click on the plus icon on the top right here. And now we can create a new alarm, so we can set the hour and the minute when the alarm is going to play, and then we can also change the repeating amount, so every Monday or every day that you want to select. You can add a name to the alarm, and then we can also change the sound right here. And once you're done, you can click on save, and at the time that you've set, the alarm is going to play. And that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope this helps, and make sure to like and subscribe.